On paper, the Porsche 718 Spyder RS is a Cayman GT4 RS without a roof and without a wing, though it is hardly without. While it lacks the rollover protection desired for a racetrack and the downforce needed to increase apex speed, the Spyder RS has more driver engagement than an Army surplus has odd green, but it's light on fatigue because it also rides well. Will it excel on a racetrack, as implied by the RS suffix for rennsport, German for motor racing? Absolutely. But Andreas Preuninger and his team, those responsible for all Porsche's GT cars, didn't even attempt a Nürburgring lap time, which, if you ask us, is a little weird because even the Panamera and the Cayenne have laps on record. The result might very well be peak road car. With the 4.0 liters intake inches away from your left ear, every trip to 9,000 RPM puts you in a valvetrain trance that's only broken by the unwavering brakes. Iron rotors are standard, but opt for the carbon ceramic stoppers, $8,000. If unsprung and rotating mass are top concerns, the ceramic rotors save about 40 pounds. And once you're there, you might as well go for the magnesium wheels, $15,640. That shave another 22 pounds. But to get the wheels, you also have to check the box for the Weissach package, $14,730. With the required interior upgrades. The Weissach package is mainly an appearance kit consisting of exposed carbon fiber components that are otherwise painted, a faux suede dash, and a tiny carbon lip on the duck-like spoiler, tacking nearly $40,000 onto a $163,650 Boxster. It isn't supposed to see track duty seems excessive, unless you have a fetish for exposed carbon fiber. But we don't judge. To make this Spyder RS extra harmonious with public roads, the GT team did something it has never done with an RS car: reduce spring rates. Compared to the GT4 RS, they're down by 55% in front and 43% in the rear. There's no wing, no underbody strakes, and a 2.0-inch shorter front splitter. The Spyder RS also rides 0.2-inch higher, but the engine is the same 493 horsepower 4.0 liter with individual throttle bodies. That's one per cylinder, and dry sump lubrication.